reducing the amount of alcohol you are craving, this video is for you. Now, there's many reasons why people drink alcohol: reduce stress, maybe for health reasons, which I did a video on that. There is zero health benefit to drinking alcohol. Now, in the liver, you have a couple different enzymes that break down alcohol. Now, the first one takes ethanol and turns it into a toxic material called acetaldehyde, which is the chemical that causes damage to your cells. It's the chemical that gives you a hangover, that makes you feel kind of funky. And then there are other enzymes to break it down further into acetic acid, which is actually vinegar. So in your body, the liver turns alcohol into vinegar, which is interesting. And vinegar is non-toxic for your liver. So there's a natural remedy that has virtually no side effects that can help reduce or prevent the consumption of alcohol. It's very studied with significant results. It's been around since at least 600 AD, which was used in Chinese medicine. But the effect on alcohol to the liver is not good. It depletes your vitamin B1, which gives you a whole series of additional side effects. It can increase your risk for getting cancer. It increases fat on your liver, inflammation on your liver, increases your risk of getting cirrhosis, which is scar tissue on your liver, and it increases estrogen in the body. So the more estrogen, the less testosterone you're going to have. And so this natural herb is called kudzu. And kudzu is that plant that you see on the side of the road that literally covers trees and fences. And so this plant, kudzu, is in the legume family, and I've been looking at it as an alternative source to feed my farm animals because it's very, very high in nitrogen and protein. It's like 26% protein, and even humans can eat it. They can put it in their salad, or they can take it as an extract. It's also really good to put in your compost as the green manure because it's very, very high in nitrogen, so it can act as an organic, slow-releasing nitrogen to make your plants grow really well and really spike the chlorophyll content. But you can also use it to help reduce your craving for alcohol. In one study, this was a placebo-controlled, double-blinded study, and it was done in mice. They showed just one dose, 2 grams of kudzu, within 2.5 hours, produced a significant decrease in the desire to drink alcohol. Now, the Chinese translation of kudzu means drunkenness dispeller, or make less drunk. So kudzu has these very special phytonutrients that's involved in the breakdown of ethanol, very similar to certain medications they use to help people curb the appetite for alcohol, but without the side effects. So when you consume this extract or consume the leaf in a salad, you will not only desire less alcohol, but you will have less toxic effect from alcohol. In fact, you'll probably find that you won't get a hangover. So a couple ways to apply this: you can take kudzu extract before you go to a social event or a few hours before you're going to drink, and you're going to find that you're just not going to have that desire as much. Now, kudzu also works on the neurotransmitters in your brain, GABA, dopamine, which are both directly involved in addiction. And there's also one study I found that you can use kudzu to help reduce the addiction or cravings for even cocaine if you have a problem with that. But kudzu is totally edible. You can use it as a green, very similar to eating Swiss chard, for example, where you're going to cook it. You'll still get the benefits. So on that note, that's your remedy to help reduce the amount of alcohol. And if you haven't seen my other video on how to repair your liver using natural foods, I put that up right here. Check it out.